In part 3 of this week's lecture, we're going to take a quick look at how IO psychologists measure job performance. One option is to use objective performance measures, which are quantitative counts of work outcomes. For example, sales volume, number of products created, number of clients recruited, number of complaints filed, average customer satisfaction scores. Although objective measures tend to be more objective than the other two measures, they miss an important component of job performance, in that they are influenced by factors that job incumbents don't have any control over. Consider how the recent COVID pandemic has influenced customers' satisfaction with the products and services they buy. Even the best employees may not be doing as well as they normally would in normal circumstances. They might also use what are called judgmental performance measures, which collect information from other people who make judgments about how well an employee does their job. Usually those judgments come from managers, supervisors, but sometimes we can collect ratings from peers, clients, and customers. One of the best examples of a judgmental performance measure is the traditional annual performance review, where the supervisor evaluates an employee's performance throughout the year and then meets with them to provide feedback for developmental purposes. The third option that IO psychologists might use is personnel performance measures, which include data that is typically kept in personnel files. Think number of absences, number of accidents, tardiness rate, rate of advancement, disciplinary actions, and commendations. All of this data gives us some insight into how well someone is performing. Once again, this type of performance measurement can be influenced by things that employees don't have much control over. It's important to recognize this when we create our performance measures. There is no way to perfectly measure performance, and we'll learn more about that in the next part of this lecture.